Let me come up close for you to see what's going on. Look at that. Just look at that right here. Just look at. And this is like it just polished my skin like that. No, look at this one. Come on in. Right in and look at this. My skin is in need of a good exfoliating. Now, when this happens, I tend to reach for some lemon, and I also tend to reach for some baking soda. Lemon and baking soda is what I'm going to use to clear my skin today. I'm going to transform my skin with these two ingredients. Lemon is rich in citric acid and vitamin C. Vitamin C have to clear hyperpigmentation, have to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin, have to get rid of blackheads and whitehead. And if you have oily skin, the acid from that lemon is going to help to cut back on all that excess sebum that your skin produces. The baking soda contain granules that seep deep into the pores. When these granules seep deep in that pores, it cleans the grease, the dirt, the dead skin cells out of the pores, and guess what? It leaves your skin looking fresh. So you don't believe me? Continue watching, because I'm going to show you how I use these two on my skin to transform my skin. Take a look right now. This is what my skin look like, and let's start exfoliating. So to make the exfoliator, I'm going to take my bowl right here, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon or so of baking soda. And next, I'm going to reach for some coconut oil. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon of the coconut oil in the bowl with the baking soda. You start to mix the coconut oil with the baking soda. So you mix the two together in a nice paste. Coconut help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. It also helps to get rid of blackheads and whitehead. It's also help for slugging, locking that moisture in the skin. Now next, I'm going to cut my lemon in two halves and make sure to remove the seeds from the lemon. You don't want the seeds in there, okay? So you just remove the seeds. So next, I'm going to take my lemon, and I like to add a little bit of a juice in it, just a little of the lemon juice in it like that. And then I dip my lemon in just like that. And you're going to hear it frying. Listen to that. That's going to be frying right there. And you're just going to work that lemon in the bowl. Work it. Yes. And then once that is done, this is what your lemon is going to look like. Lemon, baking soda, and coconut oil. And now I am going to be exfoliating my skin. Now, are you ready for the transformation? My lips are looking a little rusty also, so I'm going to focus on those also. So now I'm going to go in, and I'm going to take, and I don't know, well, I like to start on my cheekbone right here. And I'm going to be exfoliating. I'm going to do this side for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to move to the other side. 30 seconds. Exfoliating the skin. Move all the way to the forehead. And I'm exfoliating in circular motion. Do not let this get in your eyes. Circular motion, just exfoliating the skin. Go back on my nose. If you have a lot of blackheads in the nose, go ahead and exfoliate. And you can also go back and dip right back in. I'm transforming my skin right in front of you today. You're going to see how this just clear my skin instantly. How this just transform my skin. Getting rid of that rough, crusty looking lips also. This is going to take my skin to the next level. So once I exfoliate, let me come up close for you to see what's going on. Look at that. Just look at that right here. Just look at. And this is like it just polished my skin like that. No, look at this one. Come on in. Right in and look at this. Look how this is just polishing my skin. This is like a no joke. Look at that. That's no trick right there. Let's get back some more on the forehead, guys. Yes. Polishing my skin just like that. Exfoliating the skin. And voila. Ooh. Look how bright my skin is, okay? Look how lemon coconut oil and some baking soda just transform my skin. Look at my skin. This is amazing. I didn't move, I didn't switch up, I didn't do nothing but just exfoliate my skin right here. The exposed feet right here. Let's go deep into that. And you're not gonna let this one sit on the skin. You're gonna go and rinse it off. So I'll give this side a little more. So I'm gonna rinse mine off. But look at that, guys. Look at that. Look how clean my skin is. Just look at that. Look at that right in your face. Check that out. Let me rinse off and come back with the result. Do not click off. Continue watching. You need to see the result. Although you can actually see it right now. But let me rinse off and come back. Look at that. That is just amazing. And my skin is feeling so smooth. This is feeling so smooth. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a must try. A must try. If you're out there and your skin is looking rough and you need a good boost. Now, if you have sensitive skin, patch test. Now, if you're out there and your skin need a good pick-me-up, why not try this? And that is it. Now I'm going to go apply my toner, my serum, and my moisturizer. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to leave those comments.